Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to remove Facebook suggested friends. Here are the steps to remove or stop Facebook suggested friends on your mobile device. First is to unlock your Android phone using your PIN, fingerprint, or pattern. Open the Facebook app. Tap the blue or F icon to launch the app. Tap the menu, located at the top right or bottom right, depending on your version. Tap the gear or settings icon. It opens the full settings menu. Scroll to your activity, then tap device permissions. This controls whether Facebook uses your phone contacts. Make sure it's set to not allowed. Prevents Facebook from using your contact list from other features. Go back to the main settings page. Tap the back arrow or swipe. Then scroll to notifications and tap on it. It manages your Facebook notifications. Tap the toggle. Turn off the toggle. Allow notifications on Facebook. To stop receiving friend suggestions via notifications. Bonus tips. You can't remove the people you may know section completely, but turning it off, contact sync and notifications reduces suggestions. Then avoid interacting with random profiles to limit algorithm based suggestions. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.